Hey everybody, welcome back with a new video. I'm Jamie and this is Film Empire. Now before I start this video, I wanted to let you guys know that this video marks the 2-year anniversary of this channel. And I think that it is super awesome to see that this channel has come such a long way. I now have almost 200 videos on this channel, and since I started making filmmaking tutorials, I gained over 460 subscribers. So thanks ever so much to all of you guys, all of the viewers, all of you at home, and the people that have subscribed. And let's jump into this video. So a little while ago, my Panasonic HC V180 broke down after 2 years of extensively using it, and this meant that I needed a new camera, and luckily I was saving money for a new one already. So in this video I want to focus on why I bought the Lumix G80 or the Lumix G85, depending on where you live in the world. Now there were a few requirements for the camera that I wanted to buy: the resolution and frame rate, switchable lenses, a flip-out screen, a microphone jack, and it had to be good for both video and photography. So let's start with the resolution and frame rate. I wanted to have a camera that could shoot in full HD, but 4K would be a bonus point. I wanted 4K not necessarily to export in, but to be able to zoom in post, or to downsample to 1080p, which reduces noise. I also wanted to be able to shoot in 60 frames per second, which means that I could slow the footage down to like 30 frames per second to get slow motion, and this camera does all of that. Next up are switchable lenses. Now I felt that my previous cameras lacked some capabilities, and I wanted to be able to switch out lenses so that later on I could buy new ones and switch them out to create some better videos, and this camera is able to switch lenses, so that is very good. I also wanted an articulating screen. Now this camera actually can flip out the screen entirely to the point where I can hold the camera in my hand and still look at myself in the monitor. So that is very good, because this means that I can, for example, have a setup like this where I look into the camera, but I can also see my monitor. And it also means that I can put my camera in hard to reach places while I'm still able to look at the monitor. I also wanted the camera to have a microphone jack. Now I'm currently using the Zoom H1 over here, but I wanted to be able to buy a shotgun microphone later on to put on top of the camera right there, and I wanted to hook up the microphone directly to the camera instead of having an external recorder like I do now. And since this camera has a microphone jack, I'm able to insert a microphone there. Now I also want to get a little bit more into photography, and the previous cameras that I owned were not very good at that, and this camera is very good at both photography and videography, so this camera can do both of that very well. So that is mainly why I bought the Lumix G80. Now of course there are other reasons why I bought it, so if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time with a new video. Bye bye.
Hi there, thanks for watching. Click here to see my latest video, click here to see a highlighted one, and click here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.